Hello guys and welcome back to my channel once again. So today me, my friend Hari and my another friend Abhishek are leaving to Kerala. We are so excited. We were waiting for this day, I think for more than 1.5 months or something, and it has come. Today evening we are leaving by train.
Until you find your way back home.
By tomorrow morning 8:15 we are gonna reach there, and then the daily vlogs are coming in, but it won't be uploaded when I'm over there. After I come back I'll upload every day. So the 5 days trip is gonna be a leisure trip for us, like going to the beach, having fun outside, roaming around, exploring the city. Yeah, pretty much that's it. We're gonna be staying not in a hotel, we're staying in my friend Abhishek's house. So that's pretty much sums the trip up. So let's just start the packing. So it's gonna be a 5 day trip, including the train journeys. But as I'll be wearing on the day I'm leaving, that is today, so I'm just carrying 4 sets of everything, 4 sets of shirts, 2 night dress, 2 night pants, shorts you can say, socks, towel, then again 4 pants, hankies, and then this is the bag I'm gonna be carrying. I'll be carrying a set of shoes as well. Then I'm gonna be carrying that bag as well. In that bag will go my laptop, charger, mouse, the cameras, SD cards, what all electronic stuff are going to be in that bag. And then this bag will have all my clothes, shoes, and all the other cream and stuff in this bag. It's actually pretty hot in Kerala right now. It's around 37 to 38 right there. And as this house is next to the coast, the humidity level will be too high, so we'll be boiling. So I'm not taking any hoodies or anything. I'm just taking cotton shirts, so it'll be very light on the body, and then when we sweat it might absorb a little. And yeah, keeping sunscreen lotion is a must, otherwise I'll come back tan. Hello guys, it's 4:10 in the evening right now. It's just 1.5 hour or 2 hours for us to leave, and everything is packed. All the clothes, my cables are in this cute little fanny pack given by Hari to me, and my camera is completely charged. That is this one. I'm also taking my handy cam. My power bank is charged. I have taken some extra cables for data transfer. Then I've taken a swimming shorts, a cap, a face wash, and I went out to buy a shampoo. It was over, so I need it for the trip. Pretty much that's it. And I was reading this book. I just put it back in its cover just now, the Autocar India April edition. I'll just change, stuff my laptop inside, and leave. So I'm gonna take Xerox of my Aadhaar card for ID proof in the train when the ticket collector asks us, and also I have both onward and return journey tickets. So let me just take a copy of my Aadhaar card, and then I'll catch you guys again. Yeah guys, so all the Xerox copies are ready. I'll just put this in this envelope, and I'm also taking that to Kerala. As it's too hot, I might go blind. And this is a must. It's a face scrub co-created with RCB. Taking this as well, the official Ferrari cap that my mom got me from Singapore. I just love this cap. This is, I think, 4 years old now. It had gone, the stitches had gone. I had stitched it again. Then look how dirty the cap is. Can you see this? I didn't have time to wash. I just thought of washing that cap today morning, but it wouldn't dry. Problem. So who cares? Just take it. Okay guys, so I think I'm done with this video. I don't want to show any more of this trip. You can watch it from tomorrow as the day 1, day 2, day 3, day 4 journey begins. It's going to be an amazing journey. I hope to get amazing videos and go visit some amazing places, and obviously you guys will see it soon. And I'm going to be ending this video on this note saying that everything in my house is charged, including me. When I'm charged up, everything is charged. Keep it in the bag, check everything once again, and then scoot out of the house with my friends. And yeah, Abhishek is accompanying with us. He'll be in soon.